In this period, I am going to start exercise 1.3. In question number 1, find the value of each of the following. Minus 20 divided by 5. Minus 20 divided by 5. If we divide 20 by 5, 5 4 are 20. We write in the form of division. Minus 20 is equal to minus 4. Similarly, seventh number, minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. Minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 31. We break brackets. Minus 30 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 31. Adding minus 30 and minus 1, we get minus 31. So if we divide minus 31 by minus 31, here numerator and denominator have same sign, so we cross. Is equal to 1. Answer. Answer number 2. Find the quotient. You have to find the quotient. 55 divided by minus 11. If we divide 45 by 11, we get 5 as quotient. So we write 55 divided by minus 11, we write 5 and minus sign. We know that minus into minus is equal to plus 5. So if we divide minus 12, so we divide 55 by minus 12, 11, we write minus 5. Answer. Quotient, we write, hence quotient is equal to मीन्स क्वेश्चन इज इक्वल टू -5, क्वेश्चन बराबर -5 आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, answer 3 of exercise 1.3. First number, fill in the blanks. खाली जगहों को भरो। 369 डिवाइडेड बाय डॉट is equal to 369. (369) 369 में कितना से भाग करें कि 369 हो जाए? let divisor be x, then 369 divided by x is equal to 369, या 369 by x we can write is equal to 369, या 3x into 369 is equal to 369, या x बराबर 369 by 369 is equal to 1. So we put value, so we put x is equal to 1 in, if we divide 369 by 1 we get 369. Hence answer is equal to 1. In question 2 number question, two of 3 -75 plus dot dot is equal to -1. Similarly, let divisor be x, then -75 divided by x is equal to -1, या -75 by x is equal to -1, या x into -1, x into -1 is equal to -75. Add -75 by 75, we get -1. So answer is equal to 75. Answer 4. In question number 4, choose the statement in the following. In question number 4, choose the true statements in the following. we are given 0 divided by minus 5. 0 divided by minus 5 is equal to 0. It is given, is this statement true or false? We divide 0 by minus 5. We know that if a number is multiplied by 0, we get result 0. So 0 divided by minus 5 solution 0 divided by minus 5 is equal to 0 by, hence the statement is true. If we do not get 0, then the statement will be wrong. If we divide 0 by any number, we get the result 0. So the statement is true. Similarly, you will try to solve 6, 7, 8 number questions of exercise 1.3. In the next class, I will solve your problem. Thank you.